Hello everyone, and welcome back to the video. I am very happy to have you here today, because we are going to talk about something that can really help you if you are a beginner in trading. If you have been trading on Deriv for a while, you already know exactly how hard it can be to sit in front of your computer screen for hours and hours every single day. You stare at the charts, you watch the colored lines go up and down, and you try so hard to guess if the market is going to rise or fall next. When you do this manual trading for a long time, it takes a lot of energy out of you. Your eyes get very tired from looking at the bright screen, your brain gets completely exhausted, and when you get tired like that, you start making very bad decisions with your money. We all know that horrible feeling when we lose a big trade and we suddenly get very angry or sad. Because we are upset, we try to take another trade very quickly, just to win our lost money back. That is called emotional trading, and it is the absolute main reason why so many beginners lose all the money in their trading accounts in just one day. Because we have normal human emotions like fear and greed, it is extremely hard to stay calm and follow the rules when real money is on the line. But what if you could trade without having any emotions at all? What if you could have a smart computer system that does all the hard analytical work for you, while you just sit back, relax, and watch the screen? That is exactly why automated trading bots are so amazing for people just starting out. A trading bot is basically a simple computer program that follows a very strict set of mathematical rules. It never gets tired, it never needs a coffee break, it never gets angry, and it never tries to take revenge on the market after a loss.